Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech innovations to help you make informed choices. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a budget security camera that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's jump right into our review of the Wyze Cam version 4. The Wyze Cam V4 has made quite an entrance into the market, boasting a suite of premium features at an incredibly affordable price point. Designed with versatility and performance in mind, it promises to be more than just another security camera. Starting with its design, the Wyze Cam V4 maintains Wyze's signature compact form factor. With a modern matte finish available in two sleek colors, its weather-resistant body ensures durability in various conditions. From scorching heat to pouring rain, what impressed us most is the magnetic base, allowing for effortless placement on any metal surface or quick mounting with included hardware. Whether indoors or out, setting up this camera is a breeze. Moving on to performance, the Wyze Cam V4 delivers crisp, detailed images thanks to its 2.5K resolution and enhanced color night vision. Even in challenging light conditions, like bright sun or pitch-black darkness, it maintains clarity and vividness. The camera's AI-powered smart focus feature stands out, automatically tracking and zooming in on subjects like people, packages, or vehicles, ensuring you never miss a moment. It's like having a personal security guard that's always alert. Audio quality is equally impressive, offering clear two-way communication that's crucial for monitoring and interacting remotely. Whether it's a simple hello or a warning, the Wyze Cam V4 ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. Now, let's talk about the user experience. The Wyze app provides a seamless interface to manage all your Wyze devices from one place. From adjusting settings to viewing live feeds, it's intuitive and user-friendly. Setting up motion detection zones or tweaking video quality settings is straightforward, making customization a breeze. Plus, the app supports local video storage to a micro SD card, eliminating the need for a subscription. In conclusion, the Wyze Cam V4 truly raises the bar for budget security cameras. With its stellar image quality, robust features like AI motion tracking, and easy setup, it's a standout choice in its category. Whether you're looking to bolster home security or keep an eye on your pets, the Wyze Cam V4 offers unmatched value. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.